So I'm here to buy labuyo seedling, guys. Finally, it's been my dream to plant one. Let's check. Oh, 이거 토마토 아니 뭐예요?
Eggplant.
Ah, why is the eggplant like that?
No, this is papaya.
Ah. Hello po. May labuyo seedling kayo? Labuyo? Kasi may dalawang labuyo, red, yung malaki ganon, at ito, small green like this. So, mommy will get papaya. 몇 개를 심어?
내부로는 심어야지.
에? 무슨 papaya? 무슨 농사 지으려고 그래? Ate, magkano po yung labuyo?
Labuyo, 2 pesos each.
Oh, 2 pesos.
라부요는 싸고 이거.
So, if it grows, how many months yun, ate? Mga how many months?
Mga 1 month.
Ah, okay. Dalawa.
Dalawa.
엄마 2개만 심으면 되겠지?
달라와?
어.
Opo.
Oh, so small.
아니 이 판을 다 사는 거야.
No.
아떼가 좀 비싸.
This is 2. You think this is 2 pesos?
No.
Ay, naku. So, this is, what's labuyo, ate? This one is labuyo?
Eggplant.
This one labuyo? Ah, okay. Say hi. Okay, picture tayo. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do something that I have been wanting to do. I'm gonna be a plant tita for today. So some of you know I'm obsessed with labuyo, guys. Basta chili, I love something spicy. So I decided to plant labuyo. But you know, I read it from the comments of my subscribers that the real labuyo is the small green labuyo. Pero I tried to look for the seedling, but it wasn't available. The only available seedling was the big Thai chili. So I'm just gonna plant that today, and I heard it's gonna take around a month to grow, and I'm gonna harvest my own chili and use it for my cooking. That's so exciting. So these are the seedlings that I bought. I think this is papaya, and that's labuyo. My mom also got tomatoes. So it's gonna be a mini farm, guys. Actually, we already have some plants planted there, so let's go check it out also to our mini farm. Update sa sabong, they're doing well. They're healthy. The aratilis. Oh my god, I'm still confused with the name. Aratilis? Aratilas. Yeah, it's growing fast. It's giving some shelters to the sabong. FYI guys, you've been asking if that's my sabong. It's not, okay? So guys, I'm walking weird because I have an injury on my toe.
크리스티한테 찍힌 얼음게 발톱으로 떨어져서 지금 발톱이 빠지려고 해요. 근데 진짜 아픈가 봐. 울고 있어요. 치킨이 우리 은쌤이 발등에 뚝 떨어졌어요. 일단 얼음을 대봐.
여기 있어.
이거 부러진 거 아니야?
그냥 나중에 시간 지나면 발톱은 빠질 것 같아.
뭐 위로해. 아까 해줄 말은 없다.
많이 울어.
Are you okay? Don't worry. I love you.
It just happened out of nowhere. A frozen chicken breast hit my toe and it's dead now. I think it's going rotten. Hi, Kuya. I will plant labuyo. Ta-da! Wow, Kuya. Kuya, what's this one?
This one.
Oh my God. Oh, there's a worm. Look, Daddy, look. dami, oh. Ano ba? 진짜 많지? 해볼래. The soil looks good. Okay, so teach me how. Guys, my teacher again today, Kuya Sanjo. Kuya Sanjo, please say hi.
Hi. Kristypata.
So, this is the labuyo seedlings, guys. Look, oh. Sobrang liit, guys. And this is tomato, right, Kuya? Pero this one, I'm not gonna plant this, guys, because it's mommy's plant and I might ruin it. I'm scared. No. 이렇게 잡초를 뽑아놔야 돼. 그래야지 얘네들이 불필요한 수분들을 뉴트리언트를 안 먹잖아, 그치? You know what I mean? 이렇게 땅에 갈아 놓는 거지. 불필요한 것도 얘를 뽑아버려. 이제 내가 시알가 갔다 오면은 이게 다 커 있을 거야. 왜냐면 한 달밖에 안 걸린다고 했거든. And then good thing I will put Gucci's popo here so that there will be some, you know, nutrients. And Sabong's popo. Right, Kuya? It's good. It's good for the plant. Gucci's popo is the best. So big, right? So guys, what I'll do now is to dig a hole for the labuyo seedling. Pero guys, as you can see, the labuyo seedling is so small. So I'm just gonna dig a little hole lang so that if you dig a big hole, of course, the labuyo plant will go inside and it might rot, you know. So according to that, it's best to just, you know, align with another plant. So I'm gonna make one hole here. 아빠 어렸을 때 뭐뭐 심어봤어?
토마토, 수박, 참외,
오.
고추, 가지, 참깨, 들깨.
왜? 그렇게 많아. And then I'll remove one plant, guys. Very gentle.
잘 뽑아야 돼.
Oh no. So guys, we had a little change of plan. My dad recommended me to just make a little hill like this so that you know, when there's rain, my plant's not gonna flood. And if it floods, guys, the seedling will rot and die. As you can see, the labuyo seedling is so small. Like that, guys. Parang make a hill ganon, yeah. So it won't flood. That's why I planted my first one here. Look at this cute seedling. Yeah, and the next one I'm gonna do it. Daddy around here?
Yeah. konti pa.
Here?
Yeah.
Daddy is an expert, guys, because when he was young, they had a farm. My grandma had a potato farm also. My dad was a province boy also, ha. Tara, 이거 봐, 이거 완전 완벽해.
Last one, guys. There's so many worms.
됐다.
오케이. 1, 2. 비가 올 거니까.
Yeah, it rains
coming raining now.
Yeah.
Coming raining.
It rains every day these days, so we don't have to give water naman, guys. Okay, done.
How many pieces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my labuyo, okay? No one can eat that. If you're interested in buying, guys, message me. I'm gonna be a farmer. 잠깐만, 나 이름을 얘들에게 줄게. 원래 이걸 심으면 이름을 줘야 되거든.
라보요 1, 2, 3지.
라부요 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 아니야. 우리 subscriber한테 만들어 달라고 하자. Guys, please decide names for my labuyo. There are 5 siblings, so it's up to you, okay? Please comment down. Thank you.
Coming raining now. Dali. Go.
Kuya, finish na. Subscribe. Kristypata. Ask question, Jo. He knows. K-R-S-T-Y. Kuya, what's up?
So many na subscribers.
Hindi, konti lang, kuya. Picture na. Korean haiku. Good morning, guys. Another beautiful morning in the province. You know that I planted labuyo. Labuyo. Parang rapper, ha? Labuyo. Yeah, I planted labuyo. I planted labuyo around, when was that? 2 months ago, yeah, before going to Siargao. So today, I'm gonna finally check since I'm back. And to be honest, I don't know what happened to my labuyo. I hope it's alive. Let's go and check. Hello, mga chickens. Where is it? I don't even know where it went. I don't even remember where I planted it. Where are you, labuyo? No, I'm so scared to step here because everything is a plant. Kaso it's so ano. What's my labuyo? Guys, look at that. There's a small talong there. That's so cute. Oh, look at that. A mini talong there. What a disappointment. I think I have to ask my mom about how the labuyo looks like. Okay, this is shocking. I thought there will be a plant because the farmer that I got my seedlings from, they say it will only take a month for it to harvest. So I don't know. Did someone eat my labuyo? Anyways, since I'm here, guys, maybe I can give you a short tour of our small farm. Yes. Tomato, papaya, we have banana tree. See, that's all talong there. That's a mango tree, I think. Am I right? And you can see banana there. Yeah, so we don't have to buy banana, guys. We always get it from here. I don't know what plant is this. I think this is tomato. Kasi may flower siya. Anyways, I don't know where my labuyo seedling went. Wait, I see something. Wow, this is okra. Guys, look. Is this okra? Am I right? Or is it not? Jeez, I don't know. Or is that a tomato, guys? See, something's there. I don't know. I think it's a tomato, right? Okay, good. Pero where's my labuyo? That's my question. Just look at that view, guys. This is what you call the province life. It's good to be back. From an island girl to a province girl. Anyways, guys, I think I can only give you my update when I find my labuyo seedling. I mean labuyo plant. It's missing. Who is that? Hello, doggy. Come here. Come here. Wait. Wait. Come here. Who are you? Oh my gosh, who are you? Why are you in our house? What the? Damn, it's so hot today. 아니 엄마 내 라부유가 없어졌다니까. 근데 있는데 너무 많은 거랑 겹쳤어. 토마토도 있고 가지도 있고 해서 몰라. 뭐가 어떻게 생겼는지 모르겠어. 어떡하지?
뭘 어떻게 해?
I lost my labuyo. Mommy, do something.
We have to remove the grass.
There's so much grass there.
Oh, that is your duty. If you want to get labuyo, we have to do your job, right?